How to use TikTok green screen effect. So for that, let's open our TikTok. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then simply tap on this plus icon in order to record yourself, just like this. So after doing that, what you're gonna do is simply tap on any of the profile just like this, and this will now turn on that effect. In order to get that green screen effect, what you're going to do is tap on all effect right here. Then from here, what you can do is simply tap on the search icon right here. Then from here, what we're going to search for is green screen. Simply type green screen just like this. Then we'll be able to see a lot of green screen that you can use. From here, I'm going to use the most popular one, which has 1.1 billion videos. Tap on the video icon beside that effect, just like this, and in here you can see we have now successfully created our green screen. You can now add any of the photos or videos that you want, just like this, and you can now start recording yourself. Click videos, click photos and videos, and this is how you will be able to use green screen effect on TikTok. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys.